handheld stuff. But first of all, I have to figure it out. Actually, packaging is very good. I like it. Well, what we got here? Oh! Even the bag. Finally, I've got my own car vacuum. Look at this. I cannot believe it. That is my car. Here's everything. Water. Look at this. Oh my. Glasses. Purse. That's it. What is here? Press. Sure. Look at this. Look at this. Look! Did you see that before?
Oh my
Can
goodness.
you compare? Can you believe it?
Oh, wow.
This stuff is gorgeous. I told you. I told you. Look how many dust inside.
My
You see? How can I open it? Yes. Well, let's see. Look! Just a second. Look, look. It's just the first time. You see? Just only over here. It was everything over here. 5 minutes. Can you believe it? Amazing stuff. I'm in love. Truly. I'm not sure. I should move it a little bit. Yes.
What about trunk?
Trunk. Okay, let's do it. Easy. Well, look what we've got. Look. You see?
Yes.
You see? Look.
Well done.
I told you. 5 stars. Boom.
Okay, I bought this nice portable vacuum cleaner. It is called THISWORX. And all you do is plug it into the 12-volt plug in your car. And then all you do is turn it on. It has plenty of suction. I really like it. It has a number of attachments. Let me shut it off. It has a number of attachments. It's easy and well worth it. It was like under $30. I think it was $27 and something cents. Free shipping. Can't go wrong. THISWORX portable vacuum cleaner.
The seal is unbroken. They sent me a new one. I am so happy. Thank you for this replacement. Thank you. This is amazing. Look at this. The seal is unbroken. Thank you.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name Teddy Lane Jr. I just want to show you this product because it's nice to find something that works, and the title is great. This works. It's true. This is the vacuum that you use for your car, and portable. Look at the long cord. I've used it twice. I use it for the home car, and one of the home cars, and I use it for my work car. You can see how dirty this is because it's been used, and it really works. I shook the dirt out of this part. And like I saw the other gentleman do, I watched a couple of videos myself. I've used this tip, and I use this, and I haven't used this one because it's new, and I wanted to wash this one. That's my next move, is washing this. But I got to tell you guys, it's worth the money. Keep it short and sweet. It's really worth it, and it's refreshing to find something. This comes with it too, to brush your filter and clean it. It's refreshing to find something on Amazon that works really good. It says it in the title. This works, and it truly does. Okay. You guys do it. You won't be disappointed. Thanks.
Esto es con el vehículo encendido para que tenga suficiente potencia.